to the project GSM based energy meter. In this project we have energy meter, GSM modem, PIC microcontroller, RPS segment, LCD display board, relay and AC load. In using this project we can control our energy meter for domestic purpose as well as industrial purpose from the electricity distribution office. At first we should initialize this GSM modem. We should connect place the SIM card properly in the GSM modem and then connect a 12 volts adapter to this modem. This LED will blink just to indicate that the GSM modem is getting power supply. At first this yellow LED will blink fast because it's searching for network. When it will get the network, the blinking rate will be slow. Now we should switch on this RPS segment and LCD will display the welcome message. In the RPS segment we have at first one step down transformer which will convert 230 volts of AC into 10 to 12 volts of AC. After that we have bridge rectifier to convert AC into DC. Then capacitor and finally one voltage regulator to give constant 5 volts of supply to the microcontroller. So when we will give supply, microcontroller will get input as well as the RPS supply is getting 5 volts of DC. This LED will glow just to indicate that we are getting constant 5 volts of DC supply, and this LED will blink to indicate that PIC microcontroller has been initialized properly. Now after the welcome message, initializing GSM modem message will come just to indicate that the GSM modem is getting initialized. Now we have 230 volts of AC load. This load is connected to the microcontroller via one relay board. The relay board is connected here. In relay board we have one DC 547 NPN transistor. This transistor is working as a switch. So when PIC microcontroller will give supply to the base of the transistor, then only the transistor will conduct and the relay will get activated and the bulb will glow. And LCD will display the energy meter reading. Energy meter is connected to microcontroller via PC817 optocoupler. Here according to the reading of energy meter will generate pulses, and using PC817 is working as a optocoupler or photocoupler. Microcontroller will count the pulse rate and it will give output in kilowatt hour reading. Now suppose that my electricity distribution officer want to control this particular energy meter which is installed in any domestic or industrial area. Now at first he should go to the write message option and type help and send it to the particular SIM card number which is inserted here. Now when the GSM modem will receive any message, it will send forward this message to the microcontroller, and microcontroller will read this message as well as LCD will display a message like here, received message, along with the particular phone number of the electricity officer, and PIC microcontroller will take an action. Here the action is PIC GSM modem will reply a message to the particular officer for the next
text message from unknown number. Send son start.
Here in this message, the power supply officer comes to know that if we want to cut the power supply here, he should type PS on
Send get
to cut power supply PS cut, and he can do anything by writing EB star message and again star, and if at all he want to clear the message, he just need to type EBC. Now suppose the officer want to know about the energy meter reading, then he need to type get and send it to the particular number which SIM card is inserted in the GSM modem. microcontroller has received the message by using this GSM modem, and it is displaying message received gate, and microcontroller will reply to the particular number the kilowatt hour reading of the particular energy meter which is installed here.
New text message from unknown number. Energy meter with reading 0.0728 kWh.
Now suppose the microcontroller means the power supply officer want the customer to pay the bill of this energy. Now he just need to type EB star pay the bill, again 1 star. Now consumer has received message from the electricity supply officer along with the amount of bill. Now suppose the consumer has not paid the bill within the predefined time, then the officer can cut the power supply in this particular house. He just need to type PS cut. Then only the power supply will be switched off here. Because power supply is controlled by the relay board. So if microcontroller stops giving supply to the particular transistor, then only the relay will not conduct. That means the AC load will be switched off here. The LCD is displaying, and here the bulb is not glowing. And GSM will give a reply to the officer that power supply has been disconnected. Now after the payment of bill, again the officer can switch on the power supply to this particular consumer. He just needs to type PS on and send it to the particular GSM number. Here also it's going through the same process, means the relay, in the relay board the transistor starts conducting, then only relay is getting activated, and the AC load, means here we are using a bulb, the bulb is glowing. And the LCD is displaying the message, and then the GSM modem will reply to the officer that the power supply is again connected to this particular house. Now suppose someone want to tamper this energy meter, one push button should be placed along with the energy meter. So when anybody want to tamper this energy meter, this push button will be pressed, then the microcontroller will come to know about it, and it will send a message to the power supply officer via this GSM modem. For the testing purpose, we just need to press this push button for some time. Now LCD is displaying an alert message that energy meter tampering alert, and then GSM modem will send a message to the power supply officer that tampering has been occurred. It will send a message, energy meter tampering detected, please check. Now that officer can take action regarding the tampering issue. Thank you.